Hi, I'm Stephen Brown. I'm a partner at Reddy Neumann P.C. in Houston, Texas. Today is 2/26/2025, and I just wanted to address a topic that came up last night, February 25th, 2025, in which USCIS announced a major immigration policy about alien registration. So if we go back to January 20th, 2025, Inauguration Day, President Trump issued the executive order called Protecting the American People Against Invasion. And this directs Homeland Security to ensure that aliens comply with their duty to register with the government under INA 262 and have failure to comply as a civil and criminal enforcement penalty. Now, most people that are watching this video, most of our clients, are registered, and this announcement means absolutely nothing to you, but I wanted to break it down because people have questions. They're concerned. It's an announcement. People are talking about criminal matters. So what does this mean? So under INA 262, Section 262, non-citizens who stay in the U.S. for 30 days or longer must register and be fingerprinted if they haven't already. And this has been here for decades, but this executive order really focuses on enforcement for those who have not registered. Now, just because you go online and register once this comes about, it's not going to grant you immigration status or work authorization. It's just simply a requirement. So, I said a little bit ago, most people watching this, most of the Reddy Neumann Brown clients have already registered. So, what does that mean? Who's already registered pursuant to this? So, if you're a green card holder, you have registered. If you were admitted as a non-immigrant visa holder and you were issued an I-94, such as a H-1B, a TN, a B visa, F-1, L, all that, temporary visas, and you got an I-94, you have registered. Even if your period of admission has expired, you might be unlawfully present, but you've registered, with this. If you were issued an immigrant or non-immigrant visa prior to arrival, so at the port, at the consulate, you've registered. Aliens who've been placed in removal proceedings have registered. If you've been issued under parole under 212D5, you've registered. If you have employment authorization, you've registered. If you have applied for lawful permanent residence under a I-485, I-687, 691, 698, I-700, you've registered even if it was denied. And the aliens who've been issued border crossing cards have registered. So, when we talk about this, and I know it's out there and people are seeing this and they're concerned, look at that wide range of who's registered. If you've gone through a process, most likely you have registered. So again, most of our clients registered. So who isn't registered? So again, let's talk about the Trump administration and kind of their focus. Aliens who are in the United States without inspection and admission, they just came into the border. Okay. They are not registered because they haven't gone through and been granted entry or inspection. Certain Canadian visitors who entered at land ports of entry and were not issued evidence of registration might have to go on and register. And then aliens who submitted one of the benefit requests not listed in the regulations, including DACA or TPS, who were not issued evidence of registration. But again, employment authorization document is registration. So again, a very small number of who is watching this video. So who has to register? Any alien who's 14 years or older has to register if they're going to be in the U.S. for 30 days or longer. If you're under 14, your parents have to do it. And then when you turn 14, you have to do it. And then, this process isn't set up yet. They're going to create a system beginning now. They have to go on to the My USCIS account and submit their registration, and more updates are coming. But again, this sounds really crazy because most people are registered. But I wanted to put a short video together so people could just take a minute, calm down, not panic, and know that they are most likely, if they're watching this video, registered. If you haven't, if you're not one of those categories that I discussed, feel free to reach out so we can talk with you. Always happy to help with any of the immigration issues you or your company might be having. Thank you.